Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Settings right away. In Settings, scroll down to Access Apps section. Then tap on Default Apps and click on one of those options. I will go with Browser app. Now just click on the one that you wish to apply and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!